Attention sushi lovers, buckle up because we're about to embark on a culinary adventure where every bite bursts with flavor and fresh ideas. Here's a peek at 5 of the hottest trends redefining sushi in 2023. Sustainable swaps. Eco-conscious chefs are going wild with ocean-friendly alternatives. Think luscious jackfruit replacing tuna or inventive seaweed salads replacing rice. Global fusion flavors. Forget tradition. This trend is all about breaking boundaries. Kimchi cream cheese in a California roll, spicy mango salsa with salmon sashimi. Get ready for a flavor explosion that celebrates global influences. Microscopic Marvels. Dust off your magnifying glasses because tiny details are having a major moment. Imagine delicate edible flowers adorning your nigiri or paper-thin radish carvings adding a touch of whimsy. Fermentation Frenzy. Move over kimchi. Fermented favorites like kombucha and shio koji are finding their way into sushi. Expect unexpected flavor profiles and textures that will tantalize your taste buds. DIY sushi at home. Restaurants are getting creative with sushi making kits. Pre-cut ingredients, infused vinegars, and even edible seaweed wrappers are making it easier than ever to craft restaurant-quality sushi at home. Subscribe to this channel and thank you in advance.